Now listen to a conversation between a student and a professor.
Hi, Professor. You wanted to see me?
Yes, come in, Anya. It's about the paper you submitted for your assignment. I'm afraid I'm going to ask you to do the assignment again.
Really? I'm kind of shocked. I mean, I worked so hard on that paper. Wasn't it good?
I can see how much work you put into it. In many ways, it's a very good assignment, but
I'm confused. If it's good, why do I have to do it again?
I understand that you're upset, Anya, but let me finish, okay? The situation isn't nearly as bad as you think. As I was saying, your assignment was well written and well researched, but it wasn't what I asked you to do. You submitted a review of one of the books from a reading list, but the assignment I said was to write an essay.
Really? I remember the assignment, and I'm sure it said to review a book from the reading list.
It did say that, but here, let me get the actual assignment and read it. Here we go. It says, review one of the 3 books on this week's reading list, and then write an essay that compares the arguments in the book with those we discussed in class. Do you see the difference? I wanted you to review the opinions in the book, and then write about how that differs from what we discussed in class. And you just reviewed the book and didn't address the second part of the assignment at all.
So, you were using the phrase review a book in the assignment to mean something like study the book rather than write a review for the book?
Yes, that's exactly right. And as you are the only person who misunderstood the assignment, I don't think what I wrote was unclear, do you?
I see. Listen, I'm really sorry about my mistake, Professor. Can I submit a revised assignment next week on Tuesday or Wednesday?
Actually, Anya, it's only Monday, so I'd like it before the weekend, please.
Now, answer the questions. 1. What did the professor and student mainly discuss? 2. Why is the student confused? 3. Listen again to part of the conversation. Why does the student say this?
So, you were using the phrase review a book in the assignment to mean something like study the book rather than write a review for the book?
4. Listen again to part of the conversation. What does the professor imply when he says this?
So, you were using the phrase review a book in the assignment to mean something like study the book rather than write a review for the book?
Yes, that's exactly right. And as you are the only person who misunderstood the assignment, I don't think what I wrote was unclear, do you? 5. What do you think the student is most likely to do next?